YouTube channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp that isn't showing contacts in contact list. Now guys, if you're facing this problem whereby you're not seeing your contacts just as mine over here, mine are being shown, but if yours can't be shown, then let's run the fix. Quick one, open up settings, choose app management. After that, choose app list. Once you choose app list, you then wait for the apps to finish uploading up. Once they are downloading up, come to the search over here, then search for WhatsApp itself. So we shall click on WhatsApp, go to permission. Now I have to ensure that the permission is turned on. In most cases, you can see if this permission to allow contacts is turned off, if it's here in don't allow, then obviously the contacts won't be shown. Now if you turn it on, you'll have fixed that problem. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.